Hey guys, welcome back to Topper Programming. Today, got a corrupted hard drive. It's got a cylindrical disk error. Tried plugging it in. Won't initialize. Completely corrupted. You might ask, well, what are you going to do with it? Well, I'm going to open it up, see what's inside. Get a little toolkit over here. Or that can happen. Whatever. Anyway. Toolkit. Looks like we need some star-shaped screw. So let's see if I have it or not. New. This could work. Let's try one of these. Alright. Ooh. No. No, too big. Let's try something a little smaller. No, that's not even in the correct place now. It's not going as planned. We do have some Phillips head screws we can do right now. So, we get that. We can just unscrew these for now. I've got nothing else to do with this hard drive. It worked well. What was it, terabyte? Yeah, it's a terabyte. Not a bad amount of storage. It's pretty decent. Decently fast hard drive. Had it for about 2 years now. Can't corrupt it on me. It's always nice. Luckily I was able to get my data back, but not after some pain in the arse with data recovery, but I got my data back. Screw that. Okay, come on now. You know, Ferris screws are nice, but they're not the all-will be-all when you're taking things apart. Now, is it? When you're putting them together, oh man, you're gonna love them. Never taken a hard drive apart before. My first time. Oh, there's a spinning platter. So arm reads the data magnetically. All good stuff. All good stuff. I think I can. Oh, kind of expected that. To be honest. There's the data contacts, driver board. Those little contacts. Come on, focus. Connector right here. Those little contacts right here for power to the arm to spin the platter, the motor. Let's take a look at this. Yeah, I think I need to. I think I gotta take this thing apart. I don't know. Let's see, let's get a good zoom here. 1.5 should be good. Okay. Nope. Oh my goodness, magnetic screws. They can be somewhat annoying sometimes, but I'm glad they exist. Oh, let's try this one. Doesn't look small enough. No, it's too small. Dang it. Ah, too small. Okay, this one definitely is gonna work. Yes! Haha! I got it. Yes. It's one screw. I really like it if you all subscribe. You know, I take the time and effort to make these videos for y'all, and yet most of y'all don't even subscribe. I think it's kind of sad. God damn it! Come on, get. Oh, if you made it this far, I applaud you. Definitely, if you're this interested and you're this far in, consider subscribing. You can be in for a little treat. You may like this channel if you're in this far in this video. I don't get many views on these. Oh my god! Okay, we're gonna have to use some brute force here. You know, I'm probably doing something wrong. If I am, I don't want to sound stupid in the comments. Just, you know, you can if you want. I'd like if you comment on this. That would be nice. Come on, I'm almost there. I can literally taste it. Not really. Oh, I'm freaking stupid. That one screw right there. God dang it. Hold on. I'll be back. Alright, I got it off. Ha! I got it. I think I fixed it. There you go. That shiny thing right there. Whew. You know what I say we do? We power it on. Come on now. What harm is that gonna do? Just some unwanted screeching sound, probably. There's a little scratch right there. Kind of hard to see, but right there. Just interesting. That's probably why it failed. To be honest. Because there's no way I could have I could have scratched it opening it if you see the brute force I was opening it with. Cue flashback. Brute force here. But anyway. Maybe the way it feels, I don't know. Well, let's see what it sounds like. Probably not going to sound that good. There we go. Let's, we don't necessarily need to access data, so I'm sure perfectly good working power bank will suffice. Just put that in. Alright, moment of truth. Hit that subscribe button, please. If you're this far in the video, you've got to be interested, so just... Oh! Yeah. There it goes. Feel the wind coming off of that. I think I might take the platter off. See what's under there. Alright, there you go. It's like a CD. Don't want to touch it. Then again, kind of have to. I don't know. It's like glass. I don't want to break it. And then that's the rest of it, I guess. I mean, that should wrap it up. I totally didn't use brute force. Cue the flashback, but anyway. So what remains of a corrupted hard drive? No saving it now. Well, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. If you're disinterested, just subscribe.